put a quarter of BSP tap in there to clean that hole up. I need to find a fitting or an adapter to fit that. That's a steam inlet. I need to get sunlight in cover and make a joint for that as well. Apart from that, it's getting not that much to do to make it run really. I've used exactly the same method to cut the centre out for the cylinder cover joint. Right, so basically we've got the circle. I need to put the holes in. Right, basically that's the top cover joint made. I'm not that happy with this material. It seems very brittle to me, but we'll give it a try. It'll be alright to run it on air, I would imagine. One thing I do need to do is find something to screw into there. I've got no idea what thread that is. I've got no fittings that will go into it. I've been to the lad that does all my hydraulic fittings and he can't identify it, so we'll have to measure the pitch and screw cut something just to temporarily blank that off. I've seen some old pictures and there's a fancy brass oiler goes into there. I've measured the thread pitch and it's more or less 1.75 metric, which I can cut very quickly on this lathe. So I'm just going to make a plastic plug just to blank it off so I can try and run the engine. Obviously I'll make a proper steel job. Right, I'll set the lathe up to cut a 175 thread and see if we can screw it in. Right, I think that'll do just to seal the hole to get it running. Definitely that'll do the job. I've actually cut a bit of a double start thread there and it gives a lead screw in the wrong place, but for what it's going to do, it's going to be alright. I bought some new Whitworth bolts to go through here, and I think what I'll do is I'll make new studs, probably out of brass. Make some nice brass studs. I'll have to take a little bit off the bolt shoulder because they won't go through, and they'll end up like that one there. That one's been machined to go through. fortunate enough to have a bolt stock holder not far from me that carries a full range of work with nuts and bolts, which is very handy when you're playing with stuff like this. That one doesn't want to play after run a die nut down that to clean the threads up. Threads have been damaged, so just ignore that one for the minute. There's enough of the end cut to make it seal, I would imagine. Right. Okay, so the piston is hitting the top of that bung, so I have to straw it out a little bit. Straw it out a lot actually. That's better. Yeah. I'll take a cut off there and I'll put a little, take a cut off there and put a recess in just to clear the end of that piston rod. For that. Some blanks to fit now and the threaded hole to clean up there, and then it's getting very near and the adapter to sort out for that as well. That's it, that'll be a drain for the sun, that'll let any condensation out when you initially start it up. A little brass drain will have to go in there. So I need 2/4 PSP blanks and some steam, well, some air, then it's going to run. That's 3/4 PSP tucked into the top of there, so I can sort in the adapter out for that with a little valve on it, but it's getting pretty near. So we've got a couple of 1/4 PSP blanks. Ideal, I'm sure it'll blank it off for the minute. That's the exhaust port, that's just exhaust atmosphere for the minute. Right, we need to get a fitting out to go into there to put a steam valve on. Right, I found some unions that will allow it to get some compressed air into there. Won't be completely airtight, but it's going to do the job just to get it to work. And it's very near to working now. Right. I mean, that hasn't run for a long time. It's running now. Look at that bastard. As soon as I'm set a runner, I'll build some air up and then we'll let a little bit of it. I like it a lot. Bastard! Got a rust coming off this because it has, seeing as when it last run.